Welcome to the Monday Make, a series of STEAM do-it-yourself videos brought to you by Mach 1 at Phoenix Public Library. I'm Ryan, a library assistant with Youth Services. Today, we're going to make our very own graphite LED art. Are you ready to make something? So for supplies, all you'll need is a piece of paper, scotch tape, a 9-volt battery, an LED bulb color of your choice, just one. You can find them online. You can get a whole set of them for pretty cheap if you like LED lights, and then a graphite stick. I wouldn't necessarily recommend a number 2 pencil. I don't think they have quite the quality, but you can find a graphite stick at like an art store or a craft store or just online for pretty cheap. So for your drawing, whenever you get started, your drawing, it's a little tricky. You have to be creative. I need to leave a space at the bottom and the top between my 2 lines that I draw. I picked a flashlight that I'm going to draw for you guys. It's a pretty simple design and it lights up. So that's easy to model for you all. So you're just going to do 2 really thick lines on each side of your drawing, but they're not going to be connected. Leave those spaces in the top and the bottom. So it's up to you on how creative you get on what you want to draw. I've seen lots of really cool examples and you can find a lot of them online if you wish, but make sure your lines are nice and thick and dark. So a fun fact, the lead in your pencil is actually graphite. It's mixed with a little bit of clay. And graphite is a form of carbon, which is a conductor of electricity. It allows our electric current to go from our battery to our LED. Once my drawing is done, I'm going to take my LED light bulb. I'm going to spread the legs on it, the little metal pieces. I'm going to spread them, and I'm going to tape one leg to each side. So it's going to be one leg on one side of my drawing. Make sure you touch your graphite, and I'm going to tape down the other side of my LED bulb to each. And then I'm going to take my 9-volt battery and I'm going to touch the other side of my drawing. And it should light up. Flip your battery around if you have. Make sure your LED is nice and tight, and you should be good. And then just so you can see it a little better, here's a picture of it with and without the battery. It depends on your LED bulb, how bright it is, but you should be good to go. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun making your graphite LED art with us. Please share your finished project with us on Instagram. Ask your grown-up to take a photo and post it using #MondayMake and #Mach1PPL. And make sure you don't miss our next video. Subscribe to Phoenix Public Library's YouTube channel. This STEAM DIY video has been brought to you by Mach 1 at Phoenix Public Library. We're a space for makers, artists, crafters, and hackers. What will you make next?